Make sure the arrow on the back plate is hooked in the correct direction. Back plate is hooked into the slots inside the post to tap wide with the hammer. Do the same on the other side. Proceed with the installation by following step 1. Do the same on the back side. Take the kick fit into the post to tap with a hammer. Do the same on the other side. G-bracket is hooked into the slots inside the post. Proceed with the installation by following step 4. Take the shelving, put on the kick. Proceed with the installation by following step 3.
Inside my ear, every beat